Welcome back. Another one for Unit 5, Form D5. Recognize angles as geometric shapes and understand concepts of angle measurement. Last district unit test of the year. We are cruising. Math grade 4, Unit 5, 2019-2020. Practice problems 4, MD5, number 8. Number 8. A student used his watch to time a classmate who runs track at school. The classmate began his run at 11 a.m. So let's write down, what do we know right away? Began equals start equals 11 a.m. Okay? And pause. And completed. What do I know? Completed. That means finished. That means stopped. That means, okay, enough. Exactly 11:12 a.m. Time for the question. How many 1-degree turns did the minute hand make? So here we go again. Look at all your possible answers. They're in degrees. But wait, we have time. Okay. Okay. So this is a full circle, just like a clock. Okay. So let's keep this simple. I know there are 360 degrees in one full circle. Or 361 degree turns, to be precise. Okay. There are 360 degrees in one full circle. Okay. Also, I know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Are one full turn around the clock. So just like here, we have a clock. 60 minutes would go all the way around for 1 hour. Probably should have a clock picture, but whatever. So I'd start here and go all the way around 60 minutes, 360 degrees. So now we have an equation, our ratio. So check this out. We are going to figure out this. How many degrees are in 1 minute? As soon as you memorize this, any of these problems, when you are given the amount of time, and you know that it takes 12 minutes, you are just going to multiply the number of degrees. So here's the trick. Here's the rule. If there are 360 degrees in one full turn around a circle, or 361 degree turns, I am going to take 360 degrees divided by 60 minutes. Okay? Remember, zeros cancel when you are dividing. 36 divided by 6 is 6. there are 6 degrees per 1 minute. So every time you go a minute, you go 6 degrees. Okay? So if I go 1 minute, it will be 6 degrees. If I go 2 minutes, 12 degrees. Okay? If I go 5 minutes, that would be 30 degrees. So it goes over to here. There it is. So knowing that now, I know there was 12 minutes from here to here. 12 minutes. Now I'm going to multiply to figure out how many degrees that was. So there's a lot of steps happening here. Step 1, how many minutes long did it last? Step 2 could actually be all of this. Once you memorize there are 6 degrees in 1 minute, all of this just becomes the next step. And then here's the last step. Last step. You take 12 minutes times 6 degrees. Remember, it's 6 degrees for every minute. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus the 1, 72 degrees. There it is. Number 8 answer is B. So let's summarize. Whenever you are finished solving a problem, go back, summarize what's important. First, you need to calculate how many minutes long the run was. We know from 11 to 11:12 was 12 minutes. Second, to convert it to degrees, I know from all this information that 6 degrees is 1 minute. Okay? Are there 6 degrees per minute? Once I know that the runner ran 12 minutes and every minute is 6 degrees, I take the 12 minutes times 6 degrees to get 72 degrees. Okay? And there it is. So if I'm looking at this, and if you're looking at a clock, this is a right angle. Every time you go from here to here, that is 15 minutes. Okay? This would be another 15 minutes. Why? Halfway around the clock is 30 minutes or a half hour. And then you do the same process. Another 15 and another 15. I know that one full turn around the clock is 60 minutes. Our 4 times 15 is 60. So if we said this was 72 degrees and it's 12 minutes, we can prove our answer. Okay? Why? 15 minutes is 90 degrees. 12 minutes is less than 15. So right away we know it can't be 90. It's close to it. Okay? Every degree was a minute, so that's 3 minutes less. So that would be 3 times 6, 18. 90 minus 18 gets us 72. Now, I know that's going a little fast, but for the kiddos who are moving fast, there's your present for the lesson. If all of that is too much, remember, how many minutes long? Take it times 6 degrees. Answer. Later.